Welcome back. Let's work on the hooves. Let's work on the hooves here. Hooves can be easily drawn by using simple shapes and circles. A, B, and a little bit of C there, half circle. Alright, you got the different kinds of colored hooves, like I was showing you before. So, let's give it a shot here. Sorry, my lighting's a little different. My top lighting's kind of screwed up. You can see it pretty good. So let's see here. Let's do a leg. I can do like a line here. Kind of follow along that line. Light sketchiness. And then this kind of goes off like that. For the hoove, there's a half circle here. Kind of like an egg. And then I could do the hoof. This is like a rectangle. And then kind of connect them like that. Connect those bony joints. Okay. Pretty close. Pretty close. Close enough. Alright. Now here, this kind of sharpens a little bit. Kind of pointy a little bit right there. And then this kind of, I'll go with the ermine marks hoof, where it kind of goes up a little bit like this. Bring it in for the detail. Goes up and to the right. And let's do the hoof real quick. Some shading there. And then there's these little marks that kind of go up. And there we go. And if I want to put a little bit of color detail shading, I can. And let me erase the lines, the shape lines. Pretty good, pretty close there. And you'd either color this in with a colored pencil or crayon or paint or digitally. There you go. There's your ermine marks hoove. I'll put a little line right there. Take a look at the original. Oh, got stuff falling over. Sorry, it's such a big book. Alright, so there you go. Watch this, rewatch this video. Practice, get your practice in for the day. Because remember, It's only 10 seconds a day. Thanks for watching.